Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's a selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with the appearance package, which is going to give you illuminated running boards, 20-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof, third row seating. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, our GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, set of clean floor mats, cargo cover, fold down third row seats. This one does come with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you lane keeping assist, blind spot assist. Also comes with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a Harman Kardon sound system, anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got a push start ignition. Steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Navigation. This one also does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLS 450 has 26,017 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450, check out feldmannimports.com.